What's the meaning of crassness? Crassness. Crassness.
Crassness. Crassness. Crassness refers to a lack of refinement or sensitivity, often manifested in behavior or speech that is vulgar, offensive, or insensitive. It can also indicate a lack of intelligence or sophistication. The result of crass behavior or speech can be damaging to personal relationships, social interactions, and professional opportunities, as it may be perceived as disrespectful or inappropriate. Being aware of one's words and actions and striving for greater sensitivity and awareness can help avoid the negative consequences of crassness.